Today we are going to talk about Beavertails specifically, and we are going to talk about it with Steve! Hey Steve!
What's up, what's up?
There are a little bit of tourists here, the smart ones that come in a low season, and lots of locals enjoying the hot new weather. Oh my god, it's spring!
Yo.
Hey Steve, how are you? So happy that you're here. Give me a high five. Well, we haven't seen it in the camera, kind of.
Chocolate? Do you have number 2? That's chocolate?
Number 2?
Yeah, number 2. This is what I call food porn.
Junk food porn.
Okay.
Hello, Culture Eater! How are you doing today? Look, we're having an amazing spring day finally. This has like been so awaited. We're like, what, April 21st? And it's
April
the
21st.
first freaking hot day. And I am here in Old Montreal with my friend Steve Daniel, and we just had poutine. So make sure I'm going to link on top to his video where he's going to show us eating a poutine, and we're actually going to eat another poutine because this one sucked.
This one wasn't good, guys.
Really bad.
I'm actually sad.
It was really...
I'm actually real sad.
It was not good. But we also got a beaver tail from the store that's called Beavertail, which is also a really crappy dessert, but it's a joke on Canadian stuff because it's shaped like a beaver tail. It's like a dough, you know, like a long donut dough, and you can get different toppings. I got the apple one and he got the chocolate one.
The extra chocolate one.
Extra chocolate one. But before we get into the Beavertail, why don't you tell us a little bit about your channel?
Well, basically, my channel is super simple. I travel, I eat, I party, and it's all about vlogs. But one thing's for sure, in my channel, I don't wait to eat.
See, now, that's just too fast. And I was going to ask you a really funny joke before you did that. You like it?
Too late for your joke.
No, it's not too late. So, Steve, do you like eating beaver? Beaver tail.
Oh my god. That's dirty.
Yes, it is. So I'm going to taste mine.
And yes, I do, okay? Yes.
Hey guys, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so you don't miss any new videos to come.
Look at this. Look at this food porn. This is good.
I can't talk with my mouth full now.
That's what she said.
So what do you think of your beaver tail?
It's good. It's saving the day. It's saving the day.
It's a good thing I'm demonetized now.
Oh yeah?
This would be rated
Oh
flagged
yeah?
for sure. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn.
Well, you must not get monetization right now either.
No, I'm too small for this.
Yeah, that's it.
Too small.
It's going to be a lot of editing.
Are you gonna edit this out?
Bits and pieces.
Too small.
That I won't edit, that's for sure.
Sweet. It was actually really good.
So, the poutine sucked, but we are happy with the beaver tail.
Honestly, guys, the beaver is really good. It's a good beaver tail. It's tasty. It's chocolate. You have like the nice apple that looks...
Oh my god, shall we switch to have a bite?
No.
Oh, come on.
Let's switch, let's switch.
I'll never do a vlog with you again if you don't let me taste your beaver.
Your beaver is soft. Your beaver is moisty. I don't even know what it means. It just sounds nice. Moisty.
So which one do you prefer?
Mine.
You want to switch?
No. You?
I'll have one more bite of yours.
Alright, me too. It's very good though.
Mm-hmm.
I love apple pie.
So why don't you guys write down in the comments below what is your favorite sweet junk food that's typical of where you live.
Honestly, guys, this beaver is good. This beaver is saving the spot because the poutine sucked. But the beaver is good.
In my entire life, I have never seen a train pass here, ever. So Steve, you said you like to travel too.
Yes.
What's like one of the favorite places that you've gone to?
Honestly, Guatemala was one of my favorites. I was there 2 months ago, and the food was good, the scenery was nice, people were cool, so cheap. We had like an Uber boat.
An Uber boat?
So to travel around like the lake, we had like a guy that we could call and he would come pick us up with a boat and just we go everywhere. It was pretty cool. Honestly, it was Guatemala was probably one of my favorite travel places, and Portugal too.
Yeah.
You?
Oh my. Well, my last big trip was China.
What?
So that was amazing and like a huge culture shock, but in a positive way, and lots of weird, interesting food there for sure. And let's see, I liked the trip I did previous. My paternal side of the family is Austrian. So a couple of summers ago, I went to Austria. That was not my first time, but I met some relatives I never met before, ever.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I also went to Budapest on that trip for a few days. So that was really amazing. But not in Vienna, in Austria, in the Wachau Valley, which is on the Danube. It's like super picturesque. It's like what you imagine. And I had the best freaking cake I ever had in my entire life.
Was it a chocolate cake?
A little bit, but I was not YouTubing at the time, and I really wish I was, because if my friend had filmed me, it was so sweet, bouncing off the walls. So much alcohol, I got tipsy off a little square, and it felt literally, I was moaning like I was having an actual food orgasm.
Yeah, good thing you demonetized.
So I actually
this is hot.
I actually made the cake when I got back, so I will link up to my recipe blog because it's called Punch Torte.
Punch Torte?
Punch Torte. So you got a little like chiffon, 2 layers of chiffon. In between you have crumbs of cake with some cocoa powder and a lot of rum and fruit flavors. So it's like the punch, like a fruit punch.
Down.
And then you have a lot of really thick pink fondant on top.
So down.
It's so amazing. Totally check out the recipe.
Makes me fucking hungry right now. You know what? Cake is good, but I love salt better, to be honest with you. Like, I'm a fan of chips.
Chips. They have a lot of weird flavors now. Is there one you like?
Doritos is my favorite by far. So Doritos sent me that sponsor deal. Doritos are amazing, but I don't know. Any Doritos is good. You?
I do like Doritos a lot. I like the orange fake color.
Seems like everything you say is thick. You must love some thick things.
Did I say thick?
You said think like 3 times already. Thick.
I said think.
Eh?
Think.
Think.
Didn't I say think?
I thought you said thick.
Yeah, you just want to hear what you want to hear.
Yeah, I want to hear. She said thick. Thick.
Well, I think we're going to wrap this up.
You're thick.
With thick. So do you want to see him again or not? Let me know.
Please leave us a thick like below.
Leave us a thick comment. All right, so we're going to wrap up this vlog because we're going to head off to poutine spot number 2, and my fingers, like, that's going to stay with the theme. My fingers are really sticky right now.
That's what she said.
So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Give us some comments down below. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and check out Steve Daniel's video channel. And I will see you very soon again. Let me do my closing properly. I have a beautiful line. I have a closing line.
Oh, yeah.
I have a closing line. It is.
Can you tell me what this thick is?
Remember to always eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. I will see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye.
That's good. That was fun. At the end, I was killing it. Oh.